Attention, health enthusiasts. Are you unknowingly consuming something that could be more dangerous than sugar? Brace yourselves as we delve into the shocking reality of vegetable oils, a hidden culprit that may be sabotaging your well-being. Get ready to have your minds blown and your perspectives transformed. In today's world, where we are constantly bombarded with information about healthy eating, one topic often takes center stage: the dangers of consuming excessive sugar. However, there is another silent killer lurking in our diets, one that has been largely overlooked: vegetable oils. Many of us have been conditioned to believe vegetable oils are a healthier alternative to animal fats. We see labels boasting cholesterol-free and heart-healthy plastered across bottles of these oils. But the truth is far more sinister. Fact 1. Vegetable oils are highly processed and refined. The manufacturing process of vegetable oils involves harsh chemical treatments, high temperatures, and intense pressure. This processing strips away most of the nutrients originally present in the plant sources. What's left is a highly refined product devoid of beneficial compounds. Fact 2. Vegetable oils are loaded with omega-6 fatty acids. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential in small amounts, excessive consumption can lead to inflammation throughout the body. Unfortunately, the typical Western diet is heavily skewed towards omega-6s, with many individuals consuming up to 25 times more omega-6s than omega-3s. Fact 3. Vegetable oils are prone to oxidation. The polyunsaturated fats in vegetable oils are highly unstable and reactive to light, heat, and oxygen. This oxidation process generates free radicals and harmful compounds that can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases. Fact 4. Vegetable oils may increase the risk of heart disease. Contrary to popular belief, numerous studies have linked the consumption of vegetable oils to an increased risk of heart disease. These oils can raise levels of inflammatory markers, contribute to plaque buildup in arteries, and negatively impact cholesterol profiles. Fact 5. Vegetable oils have been linked to obesity and metabolic disorders. Overconsumption of vegetable oils has been associated with weight gain, insulin resistance, and an increased risk of developing metabolic syndrome, a cluster of conditions that increase the likelihood of heart disease, stroke, and type 2 diabetes. Fact 6. Vegetable oils may contribute to cancer development. Emerging research suggests that the oxidative stress and inflammation caused by vegetable oil consumption can promote the growth and spread of cancer cells. Some studies have even linked specific vegetable oils to an increased risk of certain types of cancer. While sugar has long been vilified for its detrimental effects on health, the dangers of vegetable oils have largely been swept under the rug. It's time to shine a light on this overlooked threat and make informed choices for our well-being. In conclusion, the evidence is clear: vegetable oils may be deadlier than sugar. From inflammation and oxidative stress to increased risks of heart disease, obesity, and even cancer, these seemingly innocent oils have been wreaking havoc on our bodies for far too long. It's time to take a stand and make conscious choices about the fats we consume. Opt for healthier alternatives like avocado oil, coconut oil, and olive oil, fats that are minimally processed and rich in beneficial compounds. Remember, your health is your greatest asset, and small changes in your diet can have a profound impact. So, join the movement and ditch those vegetable oils for a healthier, happier, and longer life.